And go. Come on, girl. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Keep it going, sis. Go around the whole pond. You good girl. Oakley. Hey, look at mommy. Oaks. No, sit down. Oakley, look at me. Sis. Be a good girl. Stay. Get in the water, sis. Oh. Oh. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Pretty girl. Does that feel good, sis? Yeah. Sis, you wanna go swimming? Hold up. Come here. Come here, sis. Hold up. Come here. Hold on. You ready to go, sis? You wanna go? Go swimming. Oh no, come here. Come here. Mommy missed it. Sis. Sissy, come here. Oh my gosh. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hold on. Mommy's special. There you go. Go swimming, girl. Go swimming, sis. Go swimming. Just want to eat grass? You don't want to go swimming? You're silly, girl. You're silly. You need a stick, girl? Oaks, Oaks, get the stick. Go. Get it. Get it, girl. Swim. Swim. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, there you are. That water is moving, huh, sis? You're not used to that. You're not used to that. What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing, baby girl? Oh, tummy upset, sis? It's okay. Whoop. Come on. Back on the path, sis. Oaks, let's go. Oakley, come on. Oakley. nice. Good, oh girl. Alright, ready to go, sis? Let's keep going. Come on, sis. Come on, girl. Oakley. Oakley. Hold on, sis. Ooh, sorry. Come on, girl. Let's go back. Let's go back. We don't want to be here. Let's go. No. Let's go back, sis. I think this is the turn we should have taken. I think. So we have the Boise River on this side. Oakley, stay here. Stay. Boise River on this side. And then the other side is the Quinn's Pond. Come here, sis. So it's really nice to have two bodies of water around you. Look at that. Somebody was swinging out into the water. No, this way, girl. No, come on. That feels good, huh, sis? Yeah, it feels good. It's a long walk, huh? Home is right over there, sissy. There's home. Right there. You ready to get home, sis? You want to go home? Still got a little ways. Let's go.